Hey students, welcome to trimester 3. We've made it this far, and this little presentation is just going to go over kind of what to expect for Try 3 distance learning. So make sure that you check yourself into the hub to mark yourself present. It's important that you still have your attendance taken each day when you come to school. And then if you want to hear your teachers explain the content for each day, you're going to want to log into your sync meets at the start of each class. And that way you can listen to your teachers in each of your sections explain what you're going to be doing that day or that week. In general, in our class, to keep up to date, if you complete at least one assignment for class each day, you will not fall behind in biology, and so you'll be able to stay ahead of the work and you won't have any missing assignments. And then there is going to be a sync meet for each hour on Wednesdays or Thursdays after school. And so you can visit your sync meets after school. We have hours 1 and 3 on Wednesday, and then hour 2 will meet on Thursday. And that's where you can drop by if you've got any questions. To be successful this trimester, of course, always check Canvas at the start of each week, and that will let you know how many assignments you need to complete. In Canvas, there's the week at a glance schedule, and so that kind of gives you a pacing guide so you know how much you need to get done each day in order to stay caught up. As a general rule, completing one assignment per day is a great way to make sure that you don't fall behind. And then if you've got questions, again, you can always attend a sync meet on Wednesday or Thursday to connect with your teacher. You can also always ask questions in Google Chat or in your email, and that way your teachers can communicate with you directly. Wednesdays and Thursdays are when the sync meets happen that are specifically for our distance learning students. So again, on Wednesday, you have hours 2, 4, and 6 meeting. So if you're in second hour, come at 1:05. And then on Thursday, you can meet with hours 1, 3, and 5. So we'll meet at 1:05 for first hour and 1:40 for third hour. And that way you can ask specific questions. The rest of the week, your teachers will always have a distance learning meet open at the start of each hour, so you can listen to what they're explaining to the in-person students as well. In-person and distance learning students will be doing the exact same assignments, taking all the same quizzes, all the same tests, so nothing is different between in-class and distance learning except where you do your work. And so if you pop by your classes during the week, these are when they happen, right? So there's going to be first hour starts at 7:50, second hour starts at 8:43, third hour starts at 9:36, fourth hour starts at 10:29, fifth hour starts at 11:22, and sixth hour starts at 12:49. So that's when you can catch each of your teachers when they're starting classes. Now that you know what to expect during third trimester, I hope that you are feeling prepared, and I hope that if you've got questions, you reach out to your teachers, and we will see you through distance learning, and we will also catch you on email if you've got any questions.